Welcome to our presentation on information security maintenance. Today, we will explore various aspects of maintaining robust security measures to protect our information assets. Physical access controls are essential for securing facilities. These controls are designed to minimize the risk of attacks from physical threats by leveraging natural terrain, traffic flow, and urban development. There are several physical security controls, including ID cards and badges, locks and keys, man-traps, electronic monitoring, alarm systems, computer rooms, and interior walls and doors. ID cards and badges tie physical security with information access control. While ID cards are typically concealed, name badges are visible and can serve as simple forms of biometrics. However, they should not be the only means of control, as they can be easily duplicated, stolen, and modified. Locks and keys can be divided into manual, programmable, electronic, and biometric categories. It's crucial to have alternative procedures for controlling access in case locks fail, which can happen in one of two ways: fail-safe or fail-secure. A man-trap is a small enclosure with an entry point and a different exit point. It ensures that individuals are verified before being allowed to enter the facility, enhancing security by preventing unauthorized access. Electronic monitoring records events where other physical controls are impractical or incomplete. This includes using cameras with video recorders, but it has drawbacks, such as not preventing access or prohibited activity and often not being monitored in real time. Alarm systems notify when an event occurs, detecting fire, intrusion, environmental disturbances, or service interruptions. They rely on various sensors, including motion, smoke, thermal, glass breakage, and vibration detectors. Computer rooms and wiring closets require special attention to ensure confidentiality, integrity, and availability. Logical controls can be easily defeated if an attacker gains physical access, and custodial staff often have the greatest degree of unsupervised access. Interior walls and doors are crucial for security. High security areas should have firewall-grade walls to provide physical security and improve resistance to fires. Doors to high security rooms should be evaluated, and push or crash bars are recommended. Fire is a serious threat to safety, causing more property damage, personal injury, and death than any other threat. Fire detection systems fall into manual and automatic categories, with thermal, smoke, and flame detection being the primary types. Fire suppression systems are installed to detect and respond to fires. These systems can be portable, manual, or automatic and typically use sprinkler or gaseous agents to suppress fires. Supporting utilities like heating, ventilation, air conditioning, power, and water significantly impact the safe operation of a facility. Proper management of these utilities is essential to prevent potential damage to information systems. Grounding ensures the safe discharge of current, preventing circuit tripping and fire risks. Uninterruptible power supplies provide backup power, and emergency shut-off systems are crucial for stopping power immediately to prevent harm or damage. Water issues can affect systems, including fire suppression and air conditioning. Both lack and surplus of water pose threats, making it vital to integrate water detection systems into alarm systems for overall facility operations. Structural collapse can result from unavoidable forces. Proper design and construction within load limits are crucial, and periodic inspections by qualified engineers help identify dangerous conditions. Constant documentation, evaluation, and testing of physical security are necessary. Integrating this documentation into disaster recovery plans and operating procedures helps improve security and identify weak points. With the rise of mobile computing, securing laptops, handhelds, and PDAs is more critical than ever. These devices often store corporate information and facilitate access to secure systems, making security controls essential for their protection.